Are you constantly feeling stressed, unable to get a good night's sleep? Or just frustrated with how things are going? Trust me, I've been there. It's exhausting when you're doing everything you can, eating healthy, exercising, trying every sleep aid out there, yet nothing seems to work. You end up tossing and turning all night. And you wake up feeling even more tired than when you went to bed. But what if I told you there's an easy solution to all of this? And better yet, what if I could save you some money while you try it out? Okay, so here's the deal. I was just like you, struggling with high cortisol levels, getting annoyed at every little thing, and I could barely sleep through the night. It wasn't until I had my blood work done that I found out cortisol was the real culprit. That's when a friend recommended trying ashwagandha, specifically Goli's Ashwagandha Gummies with XM66. Now, I'll be honest, at first I was skeptical. I had tried other sleep aids before, like melatonin, and they just left me feeling like a zombie the next day. But let me tell you, this stuff is different. I started taking Goli Ashwagandha Gummies, and within the first week, I could already feel a shift. By day 8, I was falling asleep faster, staying asleep all night, and waking up feeling clear-headed and refreshed, not groggy at all. And let's talk about the taste for a second. You know how most supplements either taste bitter or leave a weird aftertaste? Not these. Goli's Ashwagandha Gummies taste like fruit snacks. I honestly have to stop myself from eating more than the recommended dose. Now, you're probably thinking, this sounds great, but where's the secret discount you mentioned? Well, here it is. If you want to try Goli Gummies for yourself and save 10% off your entire order, use the promo code PracticalHealthTips at checkout. It's that simple. Let me walk you through how to do it. Step 1, head to the Goli Nutrition website. Link inside the description below. Step 2, add your favorite products to the cart. I highly recommend starting with their Ashwagandha Gummies if you're looking for stress relief and better sleep. Step 3, once you're at the checkout, enter the promo code PracticalHealthTips in the discount code box, and boom, you've just saved 10% on your order. Here is our bonus for you. Always check the description below, because I'll keep updating it with the latest promo codes and deals. And listen, this isn't just some quick fix. After 4 weeks of taking these gummies, my life changed. I'm less stressed, I sleep through the night without tossing and turning. And those little things that used to drive me crazy, they don't bother me anymore. Someone could walk into my room, leave the door wide open, and I'd just calmly get up and close it, no big deal. The mental clarity and calm I have now are something I hadn't experienced in years. If you're someone who struggles with stress or sleep issues like I did, you really need to give these gummies a try. They've been a game changer for me, and I know they can help you too. All right, that's all I've got for you today. If you found this video helpful and want more health and wellness tips, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out. And don't forget to grab your Goli Gummies using the discount code. Practical Health Tips, trust me, you won't regret it. I've linked everything you need in the description below. So click the orange cart button and start your journey to better sleep and less stress today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.